Welcome back to Urban Garden Republic, where we empower you with the knowledge to make your urban space greener and your life healthier. Today, we're focusing on plants that you can grow at home to naturally boost your immune system. Let's get started! First up is garlic, a powerful immune booster known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. Garlic requires full sun and well-drained soil. Plant cloves in the fall for a summer harvest. Adding garlic to your diet can help fend off colds and flu. Next, we have ginger, celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative effects. Ginger thrives in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. It's a tropical plant, so it does best in warm, sheltered spots. Incorporate ginger into teas or dishes for its health benefits. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, supports immune function through its anti-inflammatory properties. It prefers warm temperatures and well-drained soil. Turmeric can be grown in pots to control the environment better. It's a key ingredient in many health-focused recipes. Spinach is not only rich in vitamin C, but also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene. This may increase the infection-fighting ability of our immune systems. Spinach grows best in cool weather and moist, fertile soil. It's perfect for a quick-growing cycle in spring or fall. Citrus trees like lemons and oranges are full of vitamin C, a vital contributor to immune defense by supporting various cellular functions. Citrus trees need full sun and well-draining soil. They can be grown in large pots or the ground, depending on your space. Bell peppers are another excellent source of vitamin C, even more so than citrus fruits. They prefer full sun and warm temperatures, making them ideal for summer gardening. Rich, well-drained soil will yield a colorful and healthy harvest. Almonds, rich in vitamin E, play a key role in maintaining a healthy immune system. They require deep, well-drained soil and full sun. While almond trees take a few years to produce nuts, they offer the added benefit of beautiful blossoms. Elderberry is renowned for its immune-boosting properties, especially in fighting colds and flu. These plants prefer full sun to partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Elderberries can be used to make syrups and teas. Be sure to cook the berries before consumption. Let's talk about Echinacea. This powerful herb is known for its ability to boost the immune system and reduce symptoms of colds, flu, and other infections. Echinacea thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It's drought-tolerant once established, making it perfect for gardeners seeking low-maintenance plants. Beyond its health benefits, Echinacea's vibrant flowers attract pollinators, adding beauty and life to your garden. Last but not least, green tea. Packed with flavonoids and epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, green tea enhances immune function. It requires well-drained soil and partial shade. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can provide a significant health boost. Your garden will not only be a source of health and wellness, but also a haven for beneficial wildlife. Thank you for joining us at Urban Garden Republic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful gardening guides. Together, let's grow our way to a healthier life.